Introduction to GraphQL for advanced web applications. GraphQL is a formidable query language for APIs tailored for executing queries with a type system that describes your data. This modern approach to API design streamlines interactions between clients and servers, especially in web applications where efficient data retrieval and manipulation are crucial. Unlike REST APIs, which typically necessitate distinct endpoints for different data sources, GraphQL streamlines the process by allowing data requests to be consolidated into a singular API call. This not only simplifies the process but also improves performance, particularly over slower mobile network connections, where minimizing data load and latency is vital. Illustrative example of GraphQL in action. Imagine a social media web application where a user's dashboard needs to display the latest post, the user's friend list, and new notifications. With a RESTful approach, this might require hitting 3 different endpoints: /post, /friends, and /notifications. Each of these endpoints might return additional unnecessary data, resulting in overfetching and increased load times. In contrast with GraphQL, the frontend can make a single query that succinctly specifies the required data. With this query, the GraphQL server will return exactly 3 pieces of information requested in a structured format that matches up perfectly to the query shape. This reduces bandwidth usage while optimizing website application performance, particularly beneficial when used on mobile devices with limited data plans or slower connections.